Welcome back, developers. My name is David, and this video will show you how to install a FiveM script into your FiveM server. I found this standalone /qbcore server script. I'm going to download this one with the progress bar. Press code and then download, save it, open the folder, extract all, extract it, delete the extracted folder, and then you will have this folder. You cannot just drag and drop this into your FiveM server for several reasons. Make sure within this folder is fxmanifest.lua. As you can see, there is none. You have to go in the next folder until you find the fxmanifest.lua. Then we will rename this folder just to keep it nice without the main, and if it has like -0. It doesn't matter. If it has any numbers and stuff, you can just delete them too. And then after that, you will drag this into your server. If you're using Airnode Hosting, go to your panel, click on Manage Server, go to your settings, launch SFTP, put in your panel password, go to Airnode, resources, scripts, and then drag the script in. Copy the script name, go back, go to server.cfg, and then type in around here, around line 61 if you're using qbcore, ensure, and the resource name, save the file, exit your code editor, and then you'll want to restart your FiveM server, and I'll be back when I'm loaded in. After you have loaded in, you wanna spawn in a car. Actually, I'm not spawning the adder. And then you wanna spawn in a chopper. I'm going to use the whole map. Let's spawn code for the mapper. And then the command should be attach on car. I just copy it for ease of use. Go next to the car. Let that in. Oh, done. And you have the car, and this is how you install a script in your FiveM server without SQL. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.